Hello! Today I'll be showing you how to make the mini pumpkins. If you want to make the bigger pumpkin that can be adjusted to any size, click on the video link over there. But let's get started on your mini ones. Firstly, the hook size doesn't matter as much for these ones. This was with the 1.25mm crochet hook, and this was with the 1.4mm crochet hook. It doesn't make that much of a difference for this size. So use whatever hook size you feel like and whatever works for your yarn. Loop the yarn around your fingers twice to get started with the magic circle. And then just pinch the yarn, grab your working tail, hold and yarn over, pull through, chain 1 and chain 2. Now we're going to make 12 double crochet into the magic loop. 1, let's adjust the tension a bit, it's a bit too loose. Boop, boop. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Double count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Tighten your loop. Oopsies. And we're going to slip stitch into the first double crochet here. We do not count the chain 2. Now chain 2 to start our new row, and we're going to do 2 double crochet into the first double crochet. We're going to hold our tail behind and crochet over it to secure it. So 1, 2. Now we're going to do a front post double crochet increase in the next stitch. So 2 front post double crochets, 1, 2, and just continue like that. 2 normal double crochet and 2 front post double crochet. And we're going to slip stitch into this double crochet here. There's our first, well, second row, I guess. Yeah, it's our second row. The first was all our double crochets, so whoopsies. Lost my slip stitch there. So just do that again. Now we're going to chain 2. double crochet, and then we're going to do 3 front post double crochets. And we're not doing any increases on this row. So we have a double crochet and then 3 front post double crochets. And we're just going to repeat that for this whole row. Meet back at the end of the row. Here we are at the end of the row. We'll end with a slip stitch as normal. So we're going to do 2 more rows of that, which will just be the double crochet and then 3 front post double crochet. So come back in a few rows. Getting back at the last row of my side. So you should see your last increase and then be 3 rows down from that. So slip stitch into your last double crochet, and you're going to pull this to give you a bigger tail. Now we're going to work on our stem. So give yourself a bit of tail on the side because we'll have to sew this in. And insert your hook through the top, through the other side of your magic loop. Hold the yarn behind your hook. Pinch, yarn over, and pull through. And then yarn over, pull through. Now we're going to bring our yarn here just over our hook, hold it there, and then chain. So now we have 2 chains, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now we're going to do 2 single crochet, slip stitch, and repeat that for this whole stem. Just slip stitch over this little tail we have here. We're going to slip stitch into the base chain. And then we're also going into where it came from and doing a single crochet, chain 1. Give yourself a good amount of tail. Hard to see through the camera. Snip. Pull through. And there's our stem. So you're going to sew in these ends inside of the pumpkin. Oh, probably you may want to cut the tail that you have on the inside so it doesn't get in the way when you're sewing. And you can start sewing. This is already secure, so basically all you're doing is hiding the yarn. And there's the top of our pumpkin. Okay, once you have the top, it's time to stuff your pumpkin. I recommend just pre-forming some stuffing, seeing if it's the amount that you want and just putting it in at the same time. It's a bit too much still. Should be about it. I'm using the polyfill fiber fill. Now for our last row, we're just going to do a front post double crochet decrease in each stitch. Now slip stitch into this double crochet, 2 together. And chain 1. Then give yourself a nice tail to work with and cut the yarn. Pull the chain around and start sewing. When you're sure it's secure, just go through another point in the pumpkin. Pull it tight and snip. Ta-da! We're done with our little pumpkin. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. And if you would like to make the adjustable size one, click the video over there. See you and hope you have a great day. Bye!